everybody. This is Jackie.
And Peaches.
Welcome to another one of our comedy skits. This one is a little serious because we're doing a skit on hypertension. Something that's very dear to us and a lot of people out there. Thank you for all the shares and the likes that you have been giving us.
And be sure to comment below, hit the subscribe button to our channel, and click the bell so you'll be notified right away when we have new videos out. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
See ya.
Mr. Jackie J. Bird?
Huh? Yes?
Yes, you're next.
Okay. Here come. Oh. Look at what we have here.
Well, hello there, Mr. Jackie J. Bird.
Oh, you're an angel. All dressed in white. Look at you. Oh, I'm so glad I wore my dressy red suspenders today.
Oh, they look very fancy on you, sir.
Oh,
You look very
thank
handsome.
you. Thank you.
Now, I am your nurse, Lola Santana. It's nice to
Oh,
meet you.
Lord. Miss Fine, you look so fine. Nurse Fine, Nurse Fine.
Thank you, sir. Now,
Yeah.
I hear that you were in the hospital over the weekend.
I was.
Okay.
Yes.
And how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good.
And have you taken your medication that they gave you at the hospital?
No.
I heard
no.
they gave you some heart medication
Yeah,
to take. and-
medications make me feel funny.
Yeah, but do you know that heart disease is a silent killer, Mr. J. Bird?
Well, it whispered on me the other day.
Yes, but it's very serious and it's very, it's a necessary thing that you do take your medications as told to do.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
I know.
Yes. Now, I am going to check your heart and see how things are going. Okay? And hopefully everything is better. Let's see here. Yes.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
that's fine. Yeah.
You cut that out. You behave yourself.
Okay.
Okay, one more time. I want you to breathe in. Sir. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mr. J. Bird. You still have an irregular heartbeat going on?
Oh.
And
Double B, huh?
yes, you do.
Yeah, I got that when I came in here, Nuts.
Oh,
Yes,
that's what you need to behave yourself.
Oh. No misbehaving.
No
No
misbehaving.
misbehaving.
No, you have to be good. Okay, now we're going to check your blood pressure and see how that's going. Okay, put your arm right through here.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to tighten that a little bit for you. Okay.
Oh. Yes.
So other than that, how are things going for you? Have you been eating well?
I eat.
Oh, look at this here. Oh, you still have an irregular heartbeat. You have
Okay.
to let the doctor know that.
Okay.
And that you're not being a good boy and taking your medication like you're supposed to. Shame on you.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is a very serious issue, heart disease, and it, want you to stay around and want you to feel better,
Oh, I feel better good now.
And okay, tell me what you've been eating.
Oh, I eat good.
And what do you eat?
Well, those cheeseburgers
Oh.
and them French fries. Oh,
Let me see something here.
milkshake.
Are you serious? Let me see something here. Your pulse is not good either. Yes, your blood pressure is very, very high. I'm gonna have to let the doctor know. We might have to admit you back to the hospital.
Oh,
again.
no,
Sir,
no
you have-
hospital, nurse, no hospital,
Well,
no.
sir,
Yeah.
I spoke to your wife, Peaches Tulahead,
Oh.
and she told me
Oh, yeah.
that you have been eating a lot of turkey that has sodium in it, and this is no good for you, and you have been eating starchy foods,
What
rice.
does she mean sodium? Sodium?
Sodium.
No, ain't no sodium.
Yes,
What's
well,
sodium?
It's in your foods, and it's like a lot of salts and stuff. that
Oh,
you know.
salt. No,
No,
nurse. I don't eat no salt.
No, sir, it's in your food. And
Oh.
even if you don't eat salt, table salt, this is in your food. And it makes your blood pressure jump up high sky. And it's sky high. And that's just no good for you, you see? So what we have to do is talk to the doctor today, because I think we are going to have to put you back in the hospital. And I'm going to have to write up here that you are not taking your medication as told. And that you are not eating well
No
with your diet.
tattletale, you.
No,
You
I'm
telling on me? Mm.
No, I'm trying to make sure
Yeah.
that you're going to be around for a
Yeah.
long time, you know. I'm sure Mrs. Tulahead wants you around.
Oh, Miss Doolittle.
Okay, now, I have your chart all up here and everything. And the doctor was at the hospital, but he will be, he's on his way back here. And so what I want you to do now is go take a seat in the waiting room, and doctor will be with you shortly, okay? And I hope you feel better and that you will listen.
Okay.
And you be a good boy and take your medications, you hear me? And you change your diet, okay?
Can I come back see you?
I'm gonna make an appointment for you. After you see the doctor, you will be back, and I'll make an appointment for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay.
All right, it's nice meeting you.
Okay.
Okay, and I want you to feel better, okay?
Yeah.
All righty. Okay.
All righty.
All right, sir.
Oh, Miss Nurse Fine, Nurse Fine, Nurse Fine.
Okay, sir. You take care of yourself.
All right.
Bye now.